Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. I apologize for my appearance. However, I was editing this video and I realized I think I deleted the intro. Oh yeah. So I just wanted to hop on and say that today we are going to be making sloppy joes, and I am using turkey, but you can go ahead and use you want to say hi? I'm using turkey, but you can go ahead and use beef. They're easy, they're delicious. I also do want to say that I don't use Worcestershire, whatever how you say it, sauce. I kind of make my own Worcestershire, I don't know, sauce. So you don't need it. It's not something that I use often, so I don't buy it. I kind of just makeshift what I have. So without further ado, let's get into making some sloppy joes.
Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally, I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This part, so cold life. This part, so cold life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Now they're round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. I never built the wall to shut it all down, but now it's even made of concrete. This part, so cold life. This part, so cold life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Now they're round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. On my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never.
Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Blow kiss. Yeah, blow kiss. Good job. I love you. Good job. Bye, guys.